All right, Uber just got here. It's 6:30. I'm heading to LAX real quick to fly to Sacramento. I'm doing this whole thing with one backpack, one pair of shoes. Normally I would bring like a whole suitcase, but fuck that shit. Look at this line. Also, I have clear, so I just slide right into this bitch. Literally just scan my face and then just walk through and cut the whole line. That shit's so clean. I gotta get TSA pre though. That shit makes life way easier.
It's our pleasure to take you up north to Sacramento. SA, sit back, relax, and go where I want to fly.
All right, you're probably wondering, why is Ben going to Sacramento? Let me explain. So if you live in the fucking woods, Black Widow Cream just partnered with Dutch Bros on 3 back-to-back contests. I gotta say, the submissions we got were fucking fire. The winners of each contest got insane prizes, like $1,000 cash prize, a working relationship with Dutch Bros so they can keep creating for them beyond just that contest. And they're getting all expense paid trips to shoot content and create content for Dutch Bros. This is a crazy partnership. So Dutch Bros asked me if I'd be down to come up to Sacramento and speak on their podcast, which I'm like, all right. But more importantly, they wanted me to like get a feel for the Dutch culture. And I'm like, all right, I kind of get it. Like I've been talking to you guys, I see your brand, all that stuff. And they're like, no. You have to come experience the Dutch Bros event. Like this is where we go all in. And I'm like, all right, yeah, let's go see it. And what I experienced blew my fucking mind. I'll talk more about that later. First, I get to the hotel and I find my boy Slim, who I toured with Schoolboy Q. He opened up as a DJ. This dude is an insane painter, and I guess they commissioned him to come up and paint during the day, doing like a live painting. So that was fucking fire. Yeah.
My guy Ben, man.
Yeah. Where we at?
We are in Sacramento.
With a bunch of fucking hyped up coffee fiends.
That's right, man. Everybody, they need their caffeine, man.
That's right.
Look at all these boxes, yo.
They wanted us to bunk, but I said, nah, get the boy his own bed.
Your boy need a solo room.
Yeah. View cool.
Yeah, this is straight.
I know, like there's a pool. Yeah. So we were there like a day early and we didn't really have anything to do, so we were just kind of kicking in the hotel until Gavin hit me with the text and he's like, yo, come down to the lobby. Let's go get drinks, food, and play games. And I'm like, all right. Because I fucking love games. Why can't you get through, bro? What's happening?
It's me and Phil.
So earlier when I was saying that one of the prizes was to get an all expense paid trip flown to somewhere to create content, well, this was one of them. Our second contest, the kid that won got to be flown to Sacramento to create content for Dutch Bros. So this is Stuart. Right here, that's the boy. He won. He's from Idaho, and he just happened to win a contest. He didn't even think he was gonna win, and dude got to fly here and shoot for this massive brand. But anyways, he's trash at darts. Hey, we're about to whoop. Watch, I'm gonna hit a bullseye, watch. Delete the clip. Oh, look at that shit. Look at that shit right here. TRASA. Let Slim go.
I haven't thrown a dart in like 15 years, man. Damn.
TRASA. Damn. Slim, get it together. God damn it. What's the score?
Yeah.
Math.
Watch this shit.
You heard me.
Oh, he needs some milk.
It's the ass crack of dawn. I think Slim got up at 6 to start painting. I'm gonna go over to the Dutch Bros event right now and see what's happening. It's just gonna be crazy. We have 3,000 employees that are like all here to celebrate. All right, so when they said they want me to experience this Dutch Bros culture, I didn't understand. And then I went. And holy shit, man, they flew 3,000, like I think it was like 3,000 employees to Sacramento, paid for their flights, paid for their food, paid for their hotel, all this stuff. Flew them there to just get them hyped for the year. Like, how dope is that shit? I've never heard of a company that does that. Maybe I don't know enough companies, but goddamn, that's insane. They took that shit over, built a stage, had speakers come, they had the CEOs, all the top dogs speak at this shit, get everyone hyped up. They had a DJ, and they had Bozzy, fucking Bozzy. They flew in Bozzy to perform to 3,000 people, a private show. That shit is crazy. And they invited me to speak on the podcast? God damn. Damn. What I witnessed that day blew my motherfucking mind.
So I thank you all and I love you all.
Dog, this company is crazy.
Hey, what's going on, Dutch Nation? We're live, Coacha Sac. We have a very special guest here, Shane.
Mr. Ben Haggerty.
We've just built up this wild community. There's like 5,000 creators from all over the world. We teamed up with Dutch Bros and launched some contests and ran them and basically like gave creators in the US an opportunity to compete. He got flown out here. He won the second contest. Like,
Oh, yes.
yeah. So it's been really cool to do it. We're on the third contest right now. Winner gets to go to Life is Beautiful. The way you guys have built your dynasty and built like such a powerful house, it's just sick. So I don't know, it just felt really, really good to partner with you guys and like see where we go. And I mean, there's so much more shit we're gonna do moving forward.
Yeah.
All right, Stuart, you won the second Black with No Cream Dutch Bros contest.
This is what I was hoping I would accomplish a year from now. And the fact that like it happened now literally blew my mind and just kind of affirmed that I should stop, and everyone should stop doubting their work. And that if you keep, like you said, hustling, going for it, creating every piece of content you can, entering every single competition, dude, who knows? And so this opportunity, just the connections alone blew my mind, and it was so fun, and it kind of confirmed that this is exactly where I want to be, and this is just the beginning.
Damn. So after Bozzy finished his set, they, kicked us all out, and we went bar hopping. And all I gotta say is that Dutch Bros likes Patron just as much as Slim and I like Patron. All right, we went to bed like 5 hours ago. Slim got his phone stolen, and now we're trying to get to the airport. What time's your flight at?
9:16.
It is 8:41. All right, what's the verdict?
We on the standby, man.
He's got to wait 5 hours to get on his flight. He's just gonna sit at the airport now and suck it up, I guess. So that's the end of Coacha. Bye. Here's another update. I got upgraded to first class, while this kid over here is just fucked.
Stuck on standby with no phone. Amazing.
I can have free drinks. I can have a meal. I think I got more leg room. He's got to wait here for another 5 hours.
Amazing.